Hey, what's up, guys? I just made Chinese roast pork. I'm gonna have the recipe down in the description below. But this is just a Chinese roast pork that you find in the restaurant. As you can see, I made this for I cooked it 200. Well, I cooked it 350 degrees, 350 degrees for about 45 minutes, and then I removed the salt, and then I cook it for another half an hour, and now it seems like it's coming along. I think it's ready. See the skin, it looks crispy. On the edges it's a little bit dark, so you can just wipe that out. But this is Chinese roast pork, right? Chinese roast pork. It's a favorite for dim sum or for Chinese restaurants. Usually you find this hanging in the restaurants or in the street foods in China or Hong Kong. But this recipe is very easy to do. All you need is some pork belly, and I'm gonna put some links to Amazon for some of the ingredients I've used to make this. So I encourage you to try it from home. Now this is my first time, okay? I'll admit this is my first time, and it looks like real Chinese roast pork, as you can see right over here. Let me go ahead and pull it out, and then we can get a closer look at it, okay? This is very hot now, right, guys? So here we go. Chinese roast pork, crunchy skin, bubbling skin, and on this side, see my it's cooked enough. Total cooking time about 1 hour and 15 minutes. Now this is just a pork belly strip. What's even better is if you have a pork belly square, a square piece, that'll be better. In that case, if it's square, then you want to cook it for 1 hour, and you will have salt on top, right? Then you remove the salt, and then when you remove the salt, like one thing we didn't do is we didn't poke holes again. After you remove the salt, you use a fork, and then you can poke holes on the top, and poke holes on the top again, and then put it back in the oven. And then there's lots of oil. I removed it already, but here it is. Yeah, you can do this at home. And this is in an Oster, a French door oven, but you can use a toaster oven, or you can use the big oven right here. But we just use a big oven. This is a French door oven, and I did a review on this amazing oven, so I'll put a link to this oven if you guys want to check it out. It's French doors. So yeah, here it is. I hope you guys consider trying to make Chinese roast pork at home. Thank you guys for watching.